Today we're going to take a look at the review management within the system. In order to access your reviews here inside of the system, you're going to go to the search bar and begin typing review. Then you can choose from reviews in the navigation. You can also go to automate and choose reviews. Then here from the interface, you're going to see there's a tab for pending, a tab for approved, and a tab for hidden. So when a new review comes into the system, it's going to appear under the pending tab. Here we've pulled some reviews into the system to look at as an example. So you'll see here the first review, and you can use the three dots to address this review. So you can either approve it or you can hide it. You can also edit the review if needed, and you can also delete this review entirely if you'd like to never see it again. So if we're going to say, oh, this is a great review, it's 5 stars, I'm going to approve that review. Now that review has moved over here to the approved tab, and the approved reviews are the ones that are going to appear on your website. If we go back to that last pending review, we'll also look at the option of editing this review. If we want to edit, it will let us edit the name and the email, the market they chose, what the review says in the stars, the images, and the date that it was received. This is especially handy if you're adding reviews into the system and you want to be very specific on when that review came in to you from maybe another site. Then we can choose to use the three dots to hide this review if we would like to. And then that review goes to the hidden tab. The hidden tab just is simply a place where reviews can live that we don't want to appear on the site, but maybe we don't want to delete them yet either. On the approved tab, the three dots just allow us to hide, edit, or delete. And from the hidden tab, we can either approve, edit, or delete. Beyond that, you are also able to add a review manually using the plus sign button. You can add all of these different fields that you see here, their name, their address, their review, and their stars. This is perfect if you're trying to add reviews to your website that maybe they sent in a different way to a previous site, on Google, or on some other testimonial service that we do not integrate with. Or if they just kind of gave you this review verbatim in a conversation or in an email, you can add that review to the site so you can have great reviews for other people to see. Next option here is a pop-out button. This is where you're going to be able to see these reviews immediately on your website. So if you want to review the reviews to make sure that they're looking great, you can click this button and see what they look like on your site. Next is a CSV file. So if you do want to pull out a CSV file of all of these reviews so that you can maybe import them somewhere else, you can click this button and it will allow you to either import a CSV file of reviews that you may have pulled from somewhere else, or to export these reviews and be able to send them elsewhere. And last is the Settings tab. The first section under the Settings is the header, where you can change the words that appear above the reviews on your website. The next section allows you to edit the review form that's on your website. You can edit the thank you message, and you can also add your Google review link or your Zillow or your Facebook review link. And the Other tab is especially handy. Under the Other tab, you are able to turn on several different other review services that we integrate with so that those reviews pull into the system. So for example, if you want your reviews from Zillow to pull over to your website, you're just going to click on the Zillow tab, and then you're going to add your Zillow screen name here. Once you've added that Zillow screen name, you're just going to save, and then your Zillow reviews will be pulled onto the website. The same is true for Real Satisfied or Best Local. For Facebook, all you're going to do is turn it on, and then you're going to hit click here to connect Facebook pages. It will allow you to log in, and then your reviews from Facebook will also automatically pull to the site. If for some reason you want your star color to be different, you can change the star color here on your review system. You can also choose how those reviews are sorting on your site. So it could go by date normally, but you can also choose for them to be random or for them to go by star rating. You can choose whether those reviews are a team template or an agent template, depending on the website that you have. And you can also choose whether or not it shows the date received on the reviews on your website. And that summarizes the different things that you can do here within the review system to manage your reviews and choose what is seen and what is not seen and how they're appearing on your website.